Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fit and fine. I welcome you all in today's social science class. Dear students, in our previous session, we started the 14th chapter named I Am Proud to Be an Indian. And in that chapter, we studied about our country, India. We read India is the seventh largest country in the world in terms of land area. We read India spreads over 32,87,263 square kilometers from Ladakh in north to Tamil Nadu in south and from Gujarat in west to Arunachal Pradesh in east. And India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Do you know, students, India has a population of over 139 crores. But in your book, it is given 121 crores. So, dear students, correct it by writing 139 crores instead of 121 crores. Then we studied about the landforms of India. We read there are mountains in north, the Himalayas. Then there are plains lie to the south of Himalayas that are called the northern plains. And the central part of India is a plateau that is called Deccan Plateau. Then we read there is a desert in the west that is called the Thar Desert. And after that we read about the Western Ghats and the Eastern Ghats are the next to the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. So, dear students, it was about our previous session. Now, let's continue with the rest of the chapter. So, today we will read about the islands. Students, there are two groups of islands. They also form a part of India. As I have taught you earlier, these islands are Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands. Do you know, students, what are islands? Let me tell you the meaning of the four types of landforms. First is island. And an island is a piece of land that has water all around it. As you can see in this picture, see this piece of land which has green trees and it is surrounded by water all around. So, this is an island. Next, mountain. A mountain is a very high land with peaks, as you see in this picture. Then, plains. A plain is a flat land. Look this picture of plains. After that, plateau. A plateau is a raised flat land. So it was about the meaning of island, mountain, plains and plateau. Now, students, I was telling you about the islands. The Andaman and the Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. The Lakshadweep Islands are in the Arabian Sea. As the Bay of Bengal is in the east and the Arabian Sea in the west. So, in the south direction of India, there is Indian Ocean. You know, students, India is the only country in the world to have an ocean named after it, the Indian Ocean. Now, about the seasons in India. India has 3 seasons in a year, with short spring and autumn seasons. And the 3 main seasons are winter season, summer season, and monsoon. We can say rainy season. You know, beta, India is not only having variety in landforms and variety of seasons, it is also having number of rivers. There are many rivers in India. India is a land of many rivers, and the main rivers are Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri, etc. Dear students, not only rivers, but India is a land of many languages, and the diversities make Indian culture rich and unique. People of India speak different languages like Hindi, English, Punjabi, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, etc. And people follow many religions like Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, Buddhists, Jains, etc. Even dance forms, music, styles of painting, and dresses are popular in different parts of India. That makes India amazing and unique. Dear students, though there are variety of landforms, variety of rivers, variety of seasons, variety of languages, even variety of religions in India, but still the people of India are united. So students, it was all about the country and all about the chapter. I think now, as you all know more about your country, you all are feeling more proud of your country, is it? Now, you will read the chapter very carefully and try to solve the part A, B, C and D of this chapter. I will send the solution of part A, B, C and D later on. Thank you, beta. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Thank you, beta.